Here we have the silicon Zuf Fuzz. It's a modified fuzz face. It features a volume, fuzz, and Zuf controls. The unity gain on this pedal is at about 1 o'clock. The fuzz control increases the intensity of the fuzz. Max setting. Before we explore the Zuf knob, I want to say that a sign of a nice fuzz face is when you can dial back the volume on your guitar to about 9 or 8 and manage a somewhat clean tone. The Zuf control is a special control that allows to control the buzz and bite of the signal. Rotating it clockwise increases the buzz and bite. All in all, it's great fun. And here's the Zuf Fuzz.